So if I go into that place again, so if I go into this one, you see that there's a file which is created called new_file.txt. There's nothing in the file. Let me just add a few things into this file. I would say DevOps is an amazing, forgive my spellings, course or discipline. And so let's just save it. I'll close it. Now in command line, which is this place, we should be able to see that information, the same information in that file. Assuming you're doing something and you just want to quickly see what's in a particular file because you know that there's a file here, you could do cat. Cat means concatenate. Later on, we'll talk about it. But cat means concatenate. You do a cat and you say that I just want to have a look at what's inside that file. So it's telling me what's inside that file. So it's a text file, but it's telling me what's written inside that text file. And so clearly I can see what's inside there. Let's say I want to pass something into that text file. I'll do this. I want to add something extra into that text file. I'll say, let's say, hi, how are you? And then I pass it. I'll do echo, and then I do this. And then I send it to the new text file. So what I did here, it's a bit interesting, but for those who don't understand what I did here, echo is just telling you that repeat whatever I'm writing here, and it's going to repeat this. But this symbol is telling me that after you repeat whatever I'm writing here, this symbol is saying that push it or send it into that file called new_file.txt. So if I go back to that folder, you see that there's one extra line. There's that thing is technically it's supposed to go to the appended, but it is cleaning the previous one and putting something new in there. Later on, we'll see how to add to a line. Instead of replacing it, we can see how to add something to a line. And so we can all see that it's also possible. So let me show you something. So sometimes in our journey, we may be doing some stuff and we want to pass that information to something else. So let's say you're doing something, you're doing something, and you want to do a cut. So you want to see what's inside this folder, this file. So new file, blah, blah, blah. This is going to give you this, but you should be able to pass the items into something else. Like you create a new one and then you place it in there as well. So basically you should be able to create a file and then you pass information into a new file. That is something you could also do. And this is something that we'll be looking at very, very soon.